Wait, hold on.
Alrighty. So welcome back, fellas. How are you guys doing?
Hello.
I am doing wonderful, gentlemen.
Glad to be back.
Yes, for the last time.
I know, unfortunately, it's your guys' last day. Look at Andrew over there. Really? Andrew, you have our first one because I want you to break it down for us of this American Teacher Act. Why don't you break that down for us? Are you doing that, Andrew? Really?
Yes, Damien. The American Teacher Act was introduced in the U.S. House of Representatives. Now,
yeah. All right, you guys, we're gonna move on quickly. Talk about this. Andrew, you have for us about testing corrections. So dive deep into that.
Yeah, thank you, Damien, about test corrections. Test corrections.
I think when Rainier had said when you said when a teacher gives your test back or whatever the work is, and they give you a chance to recover your grade or drop it for another grade, I feel like that when I do a test, or work in general that's graded, I don't like to recover that grade because I feel like it's me learning a lesson, like my going back for my mistakes. I don't know, it's just like something that I do. I don't really know why, but it's just like when I get a test back or if I get a chance to recover that, I just don't do it. I don't accept it because I look at it as a mistake.
Mm-hmm.
So my thing,
next time I go back.
Camera is off. Oh
my question is, I got a question, TJ. So you're saying if you fail a math quiz and you're given an option to recover with the test corrections, you will opt out of that offer?
Yeah.
So if you failed miserably on a math quiz, a 58 or 55, and the teacher is saying you can recover with using the knowledge that you learned to recover maybe the problems that you missed for a better grade that is not going to be higher, but a decent grade. So let's say if you do the test corrections, you can probably change that 55 to possibly a 75 or 70 at that. You still would not take that offer to redo the test corrections?
Well, first and foremost, my grade never been that low.
I'm saying, I'm just assuming. Let's assume.
As an example.
If my grade were to be that low in math,
on the math quiz, so you will not recover. So you will take that 55 and let it lower your grade in the system,
because I know the next time I come back better.
But how would you go ahead?
We're gonna have another one of these shows. I just like the raw score that I get.
So you would take that 55 so I'm gonna put on my teacher hat on for just a second because
this is just because I never got that low of a grade before.
Okay,
just saying.
Let's just say, as an example, you didn't study for it. You didn't really study for it. You was like, man, I won't fail this quiz, and you got a 60 on a quiz. And I was like, okay, so if anybody wants to do test corrections, you can do test corrections. And what I can do is I can drop your lowest grade of your math test. Will you do that test correction? Knowing the fact that you could bring that 60 to a 70 or 70.
Yeah, that's if I'm going to do that to bring my grade up, that's still low for me.
Okay.
So you say you have higher expectations in this subject, basically. So what you're saying is you have higher expectations in math. Okay.
I'm really good at math.
That's
Not
right.
in other subjects. Yeah. In other subjects, okay then, but in math, I'm really good at math.
Okay.
That's fine. That's fine.
See, I had to turn on my teacher hat right here. So
That's fine. That's fine.
All right.
Yeah, it is.
All righty. Well, we have to take a break,
All right.
but there's more Ed Chat coming your way right after this, so don't go anywhere. You're watching The Educators.
TJ.
Brian here.
Oh, the viewers gonna have a time with you, TJ.
Yeah, they are. It's just like on this show, it's just been crazy. Like Damien has been sharing all his stories, and then now I'm just sharing all my stories. It's like we switch.
I
roles.
see that. I see that.
My thing is though, if I was ever given the opportunity, I would take it. Right then and there.
In other subjects,
Because if I failed a quiz miserably, I wouldn't let that sit in the grade book and bring my high overall grade lower.
No.
But that's for you. If that pleases you,
because I don't
ahead.
have that much confidence in other subjects like I do in math.
So if a science class was like that and they had test corrections, would you do it for a science class?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
I don't like science from the start with, so I might fail the first time.
Okay.
But not for math though.
Reading, I have a little confidence. No.
A
Yeah.
little. Okay.
All right.
So y'all get me on this convo. Y'all get me on this one.
No, we're just trying to make sure.
Yeah, y'all get me. What we talking about next? Important to education, right?
Yeah.
What's next?
What's next?
We gotta make this fun. It's our last time being here.
Notice how Damon is quiet during all of this. He's like,
Yeah, today, I'm just letting y'all talk. I'm just letting y'all have it. Since it's y'all last day here, Brian here and
Today
TJ,
he's gonna be the Lon. He's gonna be the Lonnie of the real.
Who's the Lonnie of the real? You the Lonnie of the real?
No, I'm not.
Damien.
No, I am not.
Just sit back and let him talk.
Well, today I am.
He just sits back and let him talk. What y'all think?
Today.
He said today.
Yeah.
Today only.
I think who will be the genie out of this? Who will be genie? That's the thing.
I don't.
Y'all looking at me, huh? Y'all looking at me about genie.
Adrian. I know who the Adrian will be.
Who the Adrian will
Who's
be?
Adrian?
It's the Brian here Seymour.
Adrian? Me?
No.
Adrian loves to talk. She loves to talk. She talks.
No.
Says the person who's been trying to get a talk show for months.
Oh Lord. Here we go.
The shade.
I'll be
feel
the
like
table.
I feel like that would be Coach D, Adrian, maybe,
Hey.
because he does.
But I feel
talk.
like I'll be Tamara.
Tamara?
That's probably like me.
Tamara.
No,
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
because you
No.
guys are always shocked of
No,
what I have
you are
to say.
Tamara.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
Never
are-
mind. Well, never mind.
He was like
I don't
Tamara.
know. I don't know. I think
Barnier,
huh?
he's Delani. He's Delani. Barnier's Delani, the comedian.
Mm-hmm.
The comedian.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah. But what about Andrew? Who's Andrew? Who's Andrew then?
I was about to say Andrew would probably be Tamar.
Tamar. Yeah, I was gonna say Tamar. So y'all talking me, the genie? Look how that just came to.
No. I think
I am.
I don't know. I think you would be Amanda. There we go.
Oh.
TJ. Let me stop.
Yeah, you better stop because you
Okay.
see my face.
Okay.
All right.
So the Davis face. He said, "Oh, okay."
Hey,
I'm
Amanda had a nice run. She had a nice run. Oh, probably a year, some change. Wasn't even a whole year, but it was just change.
It was happy.
It was just change. Change. Just change.
It was for 6 minutes. But go ahead and get started, man.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, you was waiting on me.
Actually, the song we was actually. Nope. We're actually waiting on Brittany.
Ready.
Okay.
All right.
So now, Andrew, I'm going to hand it over to you because you have something for us to play today. So the floor is yours.
Yes, Damien, the floor is mine on today. Well, on today, we are doing a brand new segment that I kind of introduced last week, which was called You Laugh, You Lose, where we will be telling each other, well, one of us will be telling all three of us jokes, and whoever laughs the most loses. And we will start off with 4 rounds. So 4 rounds.
Let's do it.
Whoever loses, there's gonna be another dare. So, yep. So,
We gotta get ready, TJ. Already losing.
in
Right.
favor, actually, I'm glad that TJ made that face and that he's probably laughing right now. Prince TJ, I would like for you to try to humor us.
They did this to me. They're doing this to me. Okay. Y'all heard of the Italian man who had passed away?
Ooh, fine.
He passed away.
Okay.
Oh, y'all ain't laughing? Okay. How many telemarketers does it take to change a light bulb?
How many?
Only one. But that ain't funny.
Yeah.
We're a tough crowd over here.
Hmm.
Tough crowd.
Wow.
I'm trying to say.
Come on.
Okay. Why didn't Han Solo enjoy his steak dinner?
Why?
Han Solo. Because it was truer. Andrew laughing over there. He laughing. Ain't he?
He's just smiling.
Ain't he?
I'm just smiling.
He laughing.
He's just
One
smiling.
more, PJ. One more. That's it. That's it.
I look good.
That's it.
I look good.
That's
Okay.
it. All right.
Y'all good? Y'all.
That was
Something strange about
interesting.
y'all ain't laughing.
No, we're good over here.
Those were not funny. So
I see Branier is still.
Not TJ. Damien said that was not funny. That's true. That's true, Damien. Mhm.
Okay,
I see
we gonna see, we
Branier
gonna see,
still
okay?
still working on.
All right.
it.
Oh, I'm ready.
Oh, you ready? All right.
Yeah. All
Let
right.
me see, Mr. Comedian.
Try to humor us.
Try to hear me, y'all. Hear me,
Mr.
y'all.
Mr.
Okay.
Comedian.
Don't start. Okay.
Comedian.
Don't start.
That's what-
Don't start. Okay. Why was 2019 afraid of 2020?
Why?
Why?
Because they had a fight in 2021.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm. Mm.
TJ.
Mm.
There's no count.
Mm.
I was laughing at something else.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
That was a good one. That was a good
All right.
one.
Okay. Listen. I broke up with my girlfriend of 5 years because I had found out she was a communist.
Mm.
I should have known. There was red flags everywhere. Okay.
Hold on. Okay. All right.
All right. I went to my doctor today
Oh,
and told him that I was having problems with my hearing.
Mm.
He asked, "Can you describe the symptoms?" I replied, "Yeah, they're yellow. Homer's fat and Marge has a blue hair." Okay. And what time did the man go to the dentist?
2:30.
Okay. All right. I think we're reading off the same page. But
Was that funny? Was that funny?
no,
I didn't hear
that one. TJ. I did better than you.
Wait, how many you got? 4? Okay.
Yeah.
Damien,
All
try to
right.
humor us.
Well, it's not going to look like it because what I have, these are just boring.
No laugh gang over
These-
here. No
These
laugh
doesn't,
gang over here.
these doesn't even make me laugh. Okay. This is just okay. Why is Peter Pan always flying?
Why?
Because
Trying
he
to get to the
never
peanut butter.
lands.
Huh, you never mind.
Yeah. Okay. That's that point. All right. The next one. How do you throw a party in outer space?
What?
How do you throw a party in outer space?
Why? How?
How?
You plan it. Yeah.
I
um,
plan it.
yeah, I know.
Clever.
Yes.
What does that
Clever.
even mean?
Clever, but not funny.
Plan it.
That was good.
Yeah.
That was good.
Clever
See?
either.
Delivery. My felicito.
Okay.
Third one.
All right. Here's the third one. Why was the broom late to class?
Why was
You
he?
try to see the witch.
Why?
It overswept. Get it? It overswept. Okay.
That's
Next
nice.
one.
All right.
Mhm.
Lastly, let's see. Why couldn't the bicycle stand up by itself?
Because it was too tired.
Of course.
Too
Yeah.
tired. That was cool.
There you have it.
Okay.
Tough crowd.
Mm.
This ain't fun no more. Ain't nobody laughing.
We're 0 for 4 right now. This is terrible. I just said your smile/laugh, you lose. Anyway. All right, my turn.
Humor us, Andrew.
All right. I can tolerate algebra, maybe even a little calculus, but geometry is where I draw the line.
Where y'all getting these jokes from?
Geometry does draw the line, but
Next.
it just didn't draw the line today.
Flip side of these.
So is this a straight line?
Yeah, we got it.
Mom says I have no sense of directions, so I pack my bags and write. Oh. Okay.
TJ,
It's not even funny, TJ.
Ah.
It's not even
All right.
funny.
why are elevator jokes so good?
Who?
Why
Is
are
that part of the
elevator
joke?
jokes are so good?
I can't hear you say Elmer.
Elevator.
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 They go up.
Jokes so good. They go up? No.
They go up.
They work on many levels.
The atmosphere. Seeing
What's
in the
what's last?
Wow.
What's last,
Wow.
Andrew?
Last one. What breed of dog can jump higher than a skyscraper?
Rockwilder.
Damon?
Just say
Any
it.
breed of dog. Skyscrapers can't jump.
Yeah.
There you have it.
There you have it. All right.
Well,
No, nobody laughed.
that was interesting. That was
That. So, tune
Nobody
in
laugh.
for
wait.
smile. I guess you smile, you lose. How about that? Yeah. Smile,
Well,
you lose.
all right, you guys.
No there.
Thanks, Andrew, for introducing that. That was something. I tell
That
you.
was something. Yep.
So we have to take another quick
Tried your
break.
best.
Yeah,
We have to take another quick break, but don't you move. We're coming right back with more of the Educators after this.
Tough
That
crowd.
was a segment.
That was fun.
Yep, that was something.
Yeah.
Fun.
It was fun, but nobody.
Oh, they won though.
No, that wasn't fun at all.
But he said it
But
was
I'm a.
You know what was fun? That man get cussed out for having 27 kids. That was fun. He literally got cussed out for 27 kids. Literally.
Ooh.
27.
I have 20-some kids.
27 kids. Not Nick
Yeah,
Cannon.
getting up there. You getting up there though.
Getting up there. He ain't there yet, but he getting up there.
You did 27 kids.
Yeah, and there yet.
What's next?
Do you
All right.
remember?
Boom, 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 boom.
Do you remember? Oh, I don't know.
All right.
All right. So today is a brand new segment called All of Us. Well, we have two that has already graduated high school. One of them is in middle school, and one of them is in high school. So let's do a little throwback. I know tomorrow is Thursday, but we're gonna do a little. Do you remember? So I have some pictures here.
Okay.
Like for instance, the chocolate milk. And the question is, do you remember the chocolate milk? Kind of brings some nostalgia on today.
I don't drink it because I don't mess with chocolate.
You know, the chocolate. Okay.
I don't even eat drink school food.
I drink school food. Okay.
Oh.
I don't. I said eat or drink school food.
So what do you eat for lunch?
My own lunch.
Oh, so you bring a lunch from home.
Well, you could have just said that, but all right.
Yeah.
From elementary to now?
I never did that.
Wow.
Oh.
No, I suck it up and eat that school food sometimes.
Okay. All right.
It was only on pizza days when they had pizza.
So
Now that pizza right there, that is absolutely disgusting. That's
Oh
no.
my
Well,
god.
That is.
Does the cheese? Does the
disgusting.
cheese look done?
No.
we got
Does the
different
cheese
districts.
look done?
That's crap.
We
That is
got
crap.
different districts. We got different districts.
Throw it away. Throw it away.
Like,
It's
I know we got
garbage.
people talking. I know I got
We
people
got-
talking.
We got different districts here.
That apple too. Throw
Well,
it away.
it's either this pizza or this pizza.
This pizza. Oh god, what is on the end of it?
I
What the-
don't know.
What is
I
that
wouldn't
supposed to
take
be?
I wouldn't take
Like
pizza. No.
I'm good.
That's not milk.
Y'all give me what? Who said milk? What?
I didn't say it at all.
But yes, this would be
None of my pizzas look like that at my school.
this will be the lunch back in I think elementary. Yeah, elementary / middle school days.
I'd rather not eat lunch though.
And then we have this corn
Oh wow, yeah.
corn
I
dog
get,
with some tater tots.
it wasn't bad.
Y'all had
It
that?
wasn't bad.
I didn't have the corn. Well, I think I had a corn dog one time.
We only had pizza and hamburger.
That's it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm getting so serious.
What the heck? Scroll down, Andrew. No. That
Slow down. All right. All right. So the fries situation. Okay. Who remembers?
I didn't have happy fries in a long time.
Oh, we still got tough fries at the school.
So you do remember the happy fries?
Yeah,
They be cold. They be cold, but
don't they? Didn't they have them in a little like a little kids meal, like a little TV dinner kids meal thing, the little happy fries, like a kids cuisine or something, with a little duck on it.
I
think
think
I know what you're
so.
talking about.
Yeah, I think so. We got some potato wedges.
I never had potato wedges in my school.
Nah, yeah, me neither.
No, never.
Only time I had potato wedges with KFC.
Oh,
What is that?
what is that?
What is what?
Burrito?
Not me.
This
Bean
is
and
chalupa.
Whoa.
I'm good. I'm good.
Then we had burritos.
That's
You
that.
know, we had burritos. That was
No.
bean and cheese burrito.
No.
Ugh, bean and cheese. Bean is gonna make me go to the bathroom.
That's why you go into your own bathroom, not the school bathroom, your own bathroom.
I don't use public bathrooms.
And then we got
Why you go
salads.
there?
Now, salads back then used to be in a container.
Not to put it on a plate.
Instead of on a plate.
Black container, right?
Hmm?
Like a black container.
Mm-hmm.
It used to be a clear container.
Ooh, that's the same.
Ooh,
Clear.
I love the fruit cups. Though. I can
you
eat the
gotta get a
cups.
fruit. You
I
gotta get a
like
fruit.
I like the fruit cups.
Did y'all have the freezies too? The
Yep.
freezies.
I had the freezies.
Yep,
Mhm.
yep, the freezer.
good.
Yep.
They used to be gone before you get in the line.
We had no record ticket. Ooh, there is one. Hold on.
That breakfast was nasty.
Let me stop staring.
Rather eat breakfast at home. Won't eat that. Did you guys used to eat breakfast at school?
It'd be occasionally for me.
I'll eat before I come.
All right, there's one more. One more. All right, here we go. Now, who remembers this?
Yeah.
Oh.
Remember this?
Yes, I remember this all the way. The little
I used to
speakers.
turn up the speakers.
The little
I used to turn
speakers
up
use
speakers when we watch the movies.
the speakers usually be next to the computers that we in the classroom at our
Mhm.
computer lab.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Remember that?
When the teachers turned on the movies, I used to be the one turning on the speaker.
Uh-huh.
Turn on the speaker. Yeah.
Nope. That lunch menu brings
That
back
lunch
so many
menu.
memories. Brings
That
back so many memories. Oh my goodness.
It'll
Yeah.
tell you what we're having for lunch. It will tell you how many calories. People thought, what was it? They'll put a number right beside it, and people thought it was something. I forgot what it was.
Yeah. It's funny because I saw this same exact post a few days ago. It's very funny.
Yeah.
Did you guys have the clips when you have to move your clip up and then move your clip down?
Oh.
I didn't have clips. I
For
had
your behavior.
change. You change your color. Change your car color.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yep, I had
Mhm.
changed
we had
your car
like
color.
multiple colors.
Mine
We had like multiple colors like down, but we had to like the clip.
And then you move your
on
clip up
which
and down.
color.
We did that too. We moved to that, but I always did the card change your color. They'd be like, go change your color. Change your color. And if you get to like a red or a purple, you in
You
trouble.
done. You done.
You in trouble.
Did y'all have that class dojo?
Uh-huh.
No.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
I had class dojo.
Gosh.
We build that all the time.
Yeah.
No, don't contact my mom. She at work.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Well,
Recording in progress. I could be like a Siri. I could be a Siri. I want to be Siri when I grow up.
no,
Oh,
you can't.
gosh,
You can't do like
no.
me. You can't. Recording in progress.
Oh my God,
Who said that?
that's Andrew.
No,
I
it
really thought
wasn't.
thing-
Yes, it was.
That
What
was.
It was.
No, it
I
was
thought-
not.
ouch.
Okay.
Yeah, it was Andrew.
Recording in progress.
How in the freaking world you sound like that?
See?
Recording in progress.
Oh, that's too deep.
Oh my
Recording in
gosh.
Recording in progress.
Recording in
Recording in progress.
Okay, you guys, we're
Recording
gonna.
in progress.
Okay,
Ooh.
okay. Stop. 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 Stop.
Ain't not.
Stop.
Recording in progress. I just had to
Welcome back, you guys, to the Educators. We are having too much fun here during our break. Seriously. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we don't do that anymore. They
I
said-
don't do that no more.
Nope, not us, not North Carolina. They said, what is that?
Well, dang.
Now we do Achieve. We do Achieve 3000 now.
I ain't do that. I don't know what that is. Okay.
Damien?
Damien what?
Hmm?
Damien what? I'm just sitting here.
The topic. I'm sorry, the homework topic. Sorry. We kind of went off tangent. Oh, well, yeah, I know you.
Yeah. You know how I feel about that. That's why I didn't say nothing because.
Okay,
yeah.
all right. Cool.
So,
I'll get you on that.
yeah.
I watched the episode when you talking about homework, Damien.
So, yeah, you know. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, support
It's-
homework.
It's a waste of time. I don't believe in it. Why
Thank you.
give out
Hey,
homework?
listen. Is there a way you can?
Damien was my teacher.
Is this a way you can email, the current teachers of this school that I have, and explain to them that homework really don't. Is there a way you could tell this to teachers today? Please, teachers, I'm looking at you eye to eye. We are a family now. Okay, I want you to know this quickly. Homework does not
Family.
matter. Okay, just want to let you know.
Family.
Hold on, wait. I'm gonna add. Hold on, I'm gonna add that. I'm gonna add something because we got other stuff to do. Okay,
Yeah, y'all have other stuff to
We
do
got
other than sit here and grade.
like
you have
the
students
show.
that does extracurricular activities, okay, such as sports, club, okay, and some of them don't really get home until 7:00, and you expect them to do homework.
And then you expect them to go to bed early to get up for your class in the morning?
My turn.
Mm-hmm.
Teachers, listen to me. I don't got time to do no homework. You talking, threatening me, talking about some. You don't do your homework, then it ain't gonna be right. You don't get it back. I don't care.
And
That is a.
Damien, gentlemen.
Hold on.
There we
okay,
go.
You guys.
There we go.
Okay, are you guys done talking? Because
yeah, let's just
this is
finish.
Yeah.
okay.